Hi, this is Bhargavi from Bhargavi Teachings. So in this video, I want to explain about the pair of linear equations, the substitution method. So already we discussed the elimination method, and I'll send the link through in the description of the elimination method also. So here in substitution method, a pair of linear equations are there. How can you find out the values of x and y? How can you solve for x and y? So one of the equation express one variable in terms of the other variable. Say y in terms of x. So you are thinking as y in terms of x you have to write. Substitute the value of y obtained in step 1 in the second equation. Next simplify the equation step 2 and find the value of x. Next what you have to do, substitute the value of x in step 3 and either equations you will have to solve for x. That means if one variable you are making as the equation with one variable, then it becomes a simple equation. The equation with one variable is called as a simple equation, so that you will get the value of that, and that you substitute in a first, then you will get the second value. For example, consider that 2x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Solve by substitution method. So all this is sum by substitution method. Okay, that means you have to think one of the variable as a the subject. Okay, so here I want to make y as the subject of the formula equation, y as the subject of the equation. So consider step 1, first equation, 2x minus y is equal to 5. From this I will transpose y to that side. 2x minus 5 is equal to 1 you will get. That means y value is 2x minus 5. This is the third equation. Okay, these are the first two equations and this is the third equation. Then what you have to do? Substitute y value in second equation. So step 2, you have to substitute the value of y in equation 2. So this is first equation and this is second equation 2. Then equation 2 becomes 3x plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 11. 2 of y value is 2x minus 5 is equal to 11. Okay, so this becomes a simple equation in variable x. Okay, 3x plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 11. Then 7x is equal to 21 by transposing minus 10 to that side plus 10. Then x is equal to 3. So 21 cancelled with 7 3 times. So x is equal to 3. Substitute in third equation. Put it in equation 3. Then y value will get y is equal to 2 of 3 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, what is x comma y? 3 comma 1. X comma y is 3 comma 1. So in previous example, we made y as the subject. But here from the first equation we made y as the subject. But not only from the first equation, any of the equations we can make any of the variable as the subject. So here I am making from the second equation x as the subject. So whatever is easy we have to select that. So this is the first equation and second equation. So in the solution what I am doing, second equation implies x is equal to minus 1 plus y it becomes. X is equal to minus 1 plus y. This is the third equation, that substitute x value in equation 1, because you are deriving the x value from equation 2, so that value you have to substitute in another equation. If you substitute in the same equation, you will get 0 is equal to 0. Okay, that's why another equation. So previously I took from the first equation and I substituted in the second equation, but here from second equation I took the value of x and I had to substitute in first equation. So that becomes first equation implies 3 of minus 1 plus y minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Now this is a simple equation in y, variable y. Okay, minus 3 plus 3y minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Here minus 2y is equal to minus 1 plus 3. So y is equal to 2 by minus 2 is nothing but y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. Now substitute that in the equation 3. Put y is equal to minus 1 in equation 3. So x becomes minus 1 plus minus 1 is nothing but minus 2. So x comma y is minus 2 comma minus 1. Then if you will substitute this also in the given equations, both equations will be satisfied. So suppose x is minus 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1 becomes. So minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but minus 1. Like that only you substitute x and y values in first equation also, it will be satisfied. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 5 of minus 1 is nothing but plus 5. So minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So tally. That means your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. So in these two equations, x, y is not individual term. That means x coefficient is there, y coefficient is there. Here also x coefficient. Previously, in two other examples I have taken, x coefficient is 1 and y coefficient is 1. In such a way I explained. But if it is like this also we can do. And whenever he asked by choosing the suitable method means you can go with elimination method. But compulsory by substitution method you solve means you have to, how can you solve, I will explain. So here from any of the equation you can take, no problem. So from the first equation I am finding the x value, I am making x as the subject. So in the solution what it becomes, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y and x is equal to 9 minus 3y by 2. This is the third equation. This x value, x I made it as a subject. This value I have to substitute in second equation. So substitute in equation 2 because I considered this from first equation. So that value I have to substitute in the second equation. So second equation implies what it becomes, 3 of 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 5. Then this becomes a simple equation in variable y. So this simple equation you have to solve by 27 minus 9y by 2 plus 4y by 1 is equal to 5. Here a fraction and a number you got. So that you have to simplify by taking LCM. So LCM is 2. 27 minus 9y plus 8y is equal to 10. Directly I wrote the steps. By taking LCM 2 becomes 2 4s are 8 and 2 will be transposed to that side, it becomes 10. Then 27 by transposing 9 minus y is equal to minus 17 you will get 27. 10 minus 27 is minus 17, minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore y is equal to 17. Y is equal to 17. That you put in the equation 3. Equation 3. The next value you will get x is equal to 9 minus 3 of 17 by 2. So 9 minus 51 by 2. 42 by 2 minus 42 is nothing but 21. So x comma y is minus 21 comma y value is 17. Minus 21 comma 17 is the answer for x and y. So this video is useful for 9th and 10th classes who are preparing for the SSC board. Then you can watch the videos and share and subscribe the videos. All the best.